Hello, today we will guide you through how to deposit in Fusion Markets. In this walkthrough, we'll use the Client Hub to make a deposit into one of your trading accounts, showing Visa as the example payment method. Keep your login ready and be sure you're on a secure connection before you begin. Start by opening your trading accounts page in the Fusion Markets Hub. This is where all your live and demo accounts are listed. You'll see key details like the account ID, platform, and base currency. Take a moment to confirm which account you'd like to fund so you avoid depositing into the wrong one. Next, click on Payments. This takes you to the funding area where you can manage deposits and see the available methods for your region. If you have multiple accounts, you'll be asked to choose one. Select the specific trading account you plan to fund. Double-check the account number and currency. This helps prevent conversion surprises later. When you're ready, click. Continue to move to the Deposit Method selection screen. Here, choose Visa. Availability and limits can vary by location, and the page may display any fees, minimums, or processing notes. If you see these details, give them a quick read so you know exactly what to expect. Click Continue again to open the Secure Card form. You'll now enter your Visa card details and the deposit amount. Make sure the cardholder name and billing address match your bank records, as mismatches can cause declines. Enter the card number, expiry date, and security code carefully. Choose a deposit amount within the shown limits and confirm the currency. If an option appears to save your card, only select it on devices you trust. Follow the on-screen prompts to submit. Many banks require an extra verification step, such as a one-time code or biometric confirmation. Complete that step promptly. While the payment is processing, don't refresh or navigate away. You should see a confirmation once it's approved. Deposits by card are often near instant, but they can occasionally take a little longer depending on your bank. After the confirmation appears, your trading account balance should reflect the new funds shortly. If the status shows pending, give it some time and keep an eye on any notices on the page. Should anything look off, review the details you entered and try again later if needed. That's it. Open trading accounts, go to Payments, select your account, Continue. Choose Visa, Continue. Then enter your details and follow the prompts until you see confirmation. Thanks for watching, and trade safely.